So, as you know, in Hindi, we use this expression when we're talking about how easy it is to judge a decision, a situation, or even a person once we know how things actually turned out. In English, there are three very natural ways of putting it. The first one, it's easy to say that in hindsight. Use this when you're critiquing or questioning a course of action after the outcome is known. Second one, it's easy to second guess someone. Use this when the focus is on questioning or criticizing a particular person's decision after the fact. And the third one, hindsight is 2020. This when you're making the general observation that things seem obvious once you can look back at them with the benefit of hindsight. Let's check out 9 sentences with 3 examples for each. The first one, बाद में बोलना तो बहुत आसान होता है, पर तब हम में से किसी को नहीं पता था कि चीज़ें वाकई कैसे निकलेंगी. It's easy to say that in hindsight, but none of us knew how things were going to play out. Second one, अब जब पता है कि एंड में क्या हुआ, कहना बहुत आसान है कि वार्निंग साइंस समझ लेने चाहिए थे. Now that we know how it all turned out, it's easy to say in hindsight that we should have seen the warning signs. Third one, कहना आसान है कि मुझे जल्दी छोड़ देना चाहिए था, पर उस वक्त हर किसी का मन होता है कि चीज़ें आपस में ठीक हो जाएं. It's easy to say in hindsight that I should have walked away sooner, but in the moment, every individual actually wishes for things to work out. Then we go to it's easy to second guess someone. The first sentence, अब तो बोलना आसान है, पर उस टाइम उसे डिसीजन वही सब देखकर लेना था जो उसे पता था. It's easy to second guess him now, but he had to make the call with the information he had at that time. Second one, अब तुमने उसके डिसीजन पर चाहे जो बोलना है बोलो, पर डिसीजन तुमने नहीं लेना था ना. You can second guess her decision all you want, but you weren't the one who had to make the call, were you? Third one, बाद में किसी को बोलना बहुत आसान होता है, खासकर जब आपको पता लग चुका हो कि एंड में क्या हुआ. It's easy to second guess someone after the fact, especially when you already know how things turned out. And finally, hindsight is 2020. First sentence, बाद में सब कुछ obvious ही लगता है. अगर मुझे तब पता होता जो मुझे अब पता है, तो मैं कुछ और करता. Hindsight is 2020. If I'd known then what I know now, I would have done things very differently. Second one, पीछे मुड़ के देखो तो सब ठीक ही लगता है, पर तब कोई नहीं कह सकता चीज़ें कितनी खराब जाएंगी. Everything seems obvious in retrospect, or hindsight is 2020, but nobody could have predicted how badly it would go. And the third one, हम सारा दिन दिमाग लगा सकते हैं कि गलत क्या हुआ, पर बाद में सब obvious ही लगता है. उस टाइम डिसीजन ठीक ही लग रहा था. We can sit here all day picking apart what went wrong, but hindsight is 2020. The decision made sense at the time.